Hello friends, welcome to another French lesson from Kishang French Learning. In this video, we learn 6 different ways how to say sorry or apologize in French. There are several expressions you can use to say sorry in French, depending on whether it is formal or informal. So let's have a look on how we apologize in French. How to say sorry. We say sorry in French, pardon. Pardon. Pardon, pardon. And the second way is désolé. Désolé. Desole. Désolé. Both words used to say sorry when you say pardon or désolé. In the conservation, then pardon is more formal. Désolé is used when you think you have disturbed somebody. Pardon is used to politely get attention from somebody. Je regrette. I'm sorry. Je regrette is less common, but it is used in similar to that of je suis désolé. Je regrette literally means I regret. Je suis désolé. I'm sorry. Je suis désolé is the most common way to apologize. Excusez-moi. Excuse-moi. Excuse me. C'est ma faute. It is my fault. If you addressing a person as to, you can say excusez-moi, excuse me in informal, or pardonne-moi, forgive me in informal. If you addressing a person as vous, you can say excusez-moi, excuse me in informal, or pardonnez-moi, forgive me in formal. It is very important that you know when to use tu or vous in French. If you are not sure if you should use tu or vous, it is safer to use vous because it is more formal. That is all for the day. We will meet in my next video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.